How to use a dictionary to find out the meaning of a word that has many different meanings. A word web is a diagram that connects words. Word webs are very useful for finding out the meaning of a word that has many meanings. Because in the English language we have words that mean different things in different sentences. For example, the word get has more than 10 meanings according to the different sentence that it appears in. Normally, I get to work around 8 a.m. We can now use a word diagram to understand what is intended by the word get. So the first thing you will do is put the word or the sentence, normally I get to work around 8 a.m. in the middle of a mind map. Normally I get to work around 8 a.m. Thereafter, find yourself a good dictionary. If you don't have one, I recommend you go to Collins Dictionary online. It has the English variations, the English British variation, and the American variations of the word, as well as translations and pronunciation, and word forms. Then, thereafter, look at the different meanings of get in different contexts. In this sentence, the boys were getting bored. Getting means become. The boys were becoming bored. So in this context, get means become. And then look at the other words, such as half the pleasure of an evening out is getting ready, referring to states or situations. What you will do now is take the synonyms of the meaning of these words in each sentence and place them in a mind map, like I've done already. These are the various meanings of the word get, depending on the different sentences that they appear in. Excite, persuade, come, move, states and situations, or become. One by one, substitute the word get with each synonym. Normally, I become to work around 8 a.m. Does that sound correct? No, I don't think so. Normally, I states and situations to work around 8 a.m. No. Until you come to the right answer. Normally, I come to work around 8 a.m. Now that sounds correct. Using the dictionary and the mind map will give you the correct understanding of the word. Now, we have some sentences for you to try. This town has changed a lot in recent years. The main word we're looking for is change. What is the meaning of change in these sentences? You need to change the light bulb in the kitchen. It's quicker by bus, but you have to change twice. Do you want to change before we go out? Can you change a $20 bill? So now, we have some different meanings of change for these sentences. Take some time to think about what does change mean in this context. Take 1 minute, please. Once you've decided on the meanings of change in these different sentences, put the correct number in the correct space. Have a look at the answers and see if your answers matches with the correct answers. So as you can see, the meaning of change here is become. This town has become, has changed a lot in recent years, has become different. Okay, the meaning of change here is money. As you can see, $20 bill is money. And number two is replace. You need to change the light bulb, i.e. you need to replace the light bulb. And three, for bus, train and plane, is quicker by bus. This is a clue that the change here that's intended here is the changing of a bus. And clothes here, as you can see, is related to clothes. Do you want to change before we go out? What will you change before you go out? Of course, clothes. I hope this will be very useful in your future studies. Thank you for joining me.